freeway is clear by now. The traffic before was very nasty. An accident or something. Hopefully by now they're clear, otherwise it's gonna be really screwed today. It's a second with time. Usually I stop here for a break at this truck stop, but not today. Better keep going. Oh yeah, still traffic. Oh yeah. Ah well. Hopefully we'll move a bit faster, but yeah, not good. Oh, bloody hell. That's full on. Don't know any other. Let's see. I could put the options. Avoid the freeway. Avoid motorway. It's gonna take forever. Alright.
After 300 meters, turn right. After 50 meters, turn right.
Big stuff. Bloody hell.
After 140 meters, turn left at the roundabout, taking the first exit. Route recalculation. Turn right at the roundabout, taking the second exit. Route recalculation. After 50 meters, turn back at the roundabout, taking the fourth exit.
Yeah, it's not moving. Gonna try to reroute, guys. No idea
Take the fourth exit.
where the satellite's gonna take me, but let's give it a go.
After 80 meters, enter the roundabout and take the first
Looks
exit.
like, yeah, all secondary roads. We might
Take the first exit.
actually make it like this. Great.
Prepare to turn left after 1 kilometer.
traffic even here. Green light now moving. Oh, there's traffic everywhere. So yeah, I think this traffic is to get into the freeway, but we will not. Still though, we're gonna be jammed here. Right guys, gonna switch it off for the moment, turn on once we're clear of this traffic jam. Right on, take it easy. Today it's a bit full of surprises.